Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I want to show you the possibility of making up to $1,000 by trading crypto and no one's app. If you have never made up to 1 million in Naira or you have never counted up to $1,000 owned by you personally, I want to show you the possibility of making this amount of money here in this video. All I need from you is just to give me your full attention by watching this video from the beginning to the end without skipping any part of this. I want to walk you through this now. As you know, I always show you possibility of making more money in my YouTube channel here. So I want to walk you through this now without further ado, guys. Let's go. So here's my homepage interface, and probably you cannot get to this place just like that if you're very new to this crypto stuff or no one's app, especially if you're from Nigeria, because our IP is restricted. You may not be able to get it directly like this. So what I did is, let me quickly show you. I use VPN, and this is the VPN I use. You can see now that it's turned on. So let me go to this to check it for you. Just to prove it for you now, let me refresh this. This is Germany IP, right? You can see now this is Germany IP. So if I turn it off now, let me go back here. So if I refresh this page now, it will not be accessible anymore. Can you see now? So when I turn off the VPN, it's no more accessible. So I have to turn on my VPN. When I turn it on now, and automatically it's even refreshing. But if you use no one's app, I don't think you can have this kind of problem. The IP will not be restricted. Oh, boom! As you can see now, so this is the account I'm using for online stuff to train people. I'm not using my own account for obvious reason. I'm not using my personal account here. So now using this one now, guys. Now if you're very new to this, now you have to sign up. That is if you don't have account with no one's app before. If you want to sign up now, just check the comment section. I'll pin it there. This is my invite link, and this is my invitation code. That is a sdtv. That's the invitation code. You have to use it before you can able to sign up successfully. So when sign up, you should see yourself here. This is the homepage interface. Now the next thing to do is, now we want to trade crypto now to make money. So the first thing to do is for you to buy crypto. So if you want to buy crypto now, just head straight to trade and click on this P2P market. Oh, great. Now when you get to this place now, you have two options here, either to buy crypto or to sell crypto. So you are going to click on this buy crypto, where by default it's going to be on the buy crypto, right? But to be sure, just click on the buy crypto again. So the next thing here now is to select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Now click on this. You see this drop down menu here. Now click on the Bitcoin. Now we want to buy Bitcoin. Now from here, the next thing to do is to come here. You see now this currency is the amount I want to spend. So now this one, now click here. All right, now you are going to click Nigerian Naira because you want to buy. You have to buy locally. That will help you to maximize your profits. All right, I'm using my own country as an example because I am from Nigeria. I am Nigerian, and I'm using this one as an example. If you're from Ghana, put your own there. If you're from other Togo, Cameroon, South Africa, or wherever you're watching me from, just put your own there. All right, I'm from Nigeria. I'll put Nigeria here. Then the next one is payment method. Now come here. Now we are getting to the interesting part of this. I want to show you how to be making money, guys. Information is not just power but life. So the next thing here now is to select the payment method, how you want to make payment. Now you are going to click on bank transfer. When you click on bank transfer, you have to come here. Now you see bank transfer, you have 60 choices here. Now click on this bank transfer again. Now click on apply selection. Now the next thing to do is to come here. You see more filters. Click on this more filters. Now here you see all countries. Now click here and type Nigeria. I am from Nigeria and I'm using Nigeria as a sample. If you're from another country, I'm not expecting you to put Nigeria there. Okay, don't do that mistake. Now click on Nigeria. Now the next thing that you have to do is to come here, click on by price low to high. I want people that will sell more cheaper for me so as to help me maximize more profit. So when done that, here you have to select here recently active, turn it on. Your own may not be on by default. Just make sure you put it here, and also this one is okay like this. I want to buy from people that are online. I don't want anybody to delay my activities online. Then verify. Do you want to buy from the verified account? Or that is, let me leave it here like this. Now click on apply button. Boom. Now this has given us results here. Now from here, let's see where we can buy from that's going to be more profitable. Okay, let's say I want to buy from Victor Philip. If I want to buy from Victor Philip, look at this place now. Considering this, Victor Philip own is more cheaper. This guy said, look at this guy. I said before you buy from any seller, make sure you check very well. First, check the range the seller is trying to sell, the minimum amount and the maximum amount the seller can sell for you. Like this one now, the range is within the 17,000 to 52,000 naira, 14 naira, which means the minimum this guy can sell is 17,000 naira. All right. Then another thing is this guy have a lot of likes and zero dislike, and this guy have 100% here. Look at it, the trade is 100%, which is very, very okay. So then considering this also, this guy also see plus 2.5% above the Bitcoin current market price. You can see now from here now, this offer is 2.5 percentage above Bitcoin current market price, which is very, very okay, because we want to buy. And if we want to buy, we have to buy the cheaper one. And if you consider the rest, they are increasing. This is 50%, 40%, 40. You see, they are increasing. So let me buy from this guy that sells more cheaper. So let me click on buy button here. So this guy said within 70,000 to 52,000. Let's say I want to buy 50,000 worth of Bitcoin. So if I will buy 50,000, if I put 50,000, I'm going to get Bitcoin worth 0.00. Now I want to note it down somewhere. That's the second thing you have to do. You have to put your information down so that to see if this is going to be profitable for you, or you just have to back off. So I'm putting 50,000 naira, which is equals to this amount of BTC, right? So if I'm getting with this amount of BTC, the next thing to do now is come here. I have not buy from this place yet. I just try to see with this 50,000 and what amount of this thing I can get right now. And another thing that's very important is some of these things you are seeing here, this price within 30 minutes or 1 hour to this time now, you can get this price more cheaper. So you have to project the market to the end to see if this thing will favor you or not. If you see that at the end is not profitable, just leave it for that time. You can come back later after an hour or whenever and retry the strategy again, the step, to see how profitable this is, the kind of profit you can get from it. So let's go on again, guys. Now come here, this trade again, click on P2P market. I'm going to open it as a tab. I'm still leaving this one for now. I have not buy Bitcoin yet. I'm just trying to project. Okay, so let's go. I'll open the tab again, and this time I'm going to click on sell crypto. Sell crypto. So I will assume that I bought that Bitcoin. I just wanted to buy, but I have not buy it. So I will assume that I have bought it, right? It's in my wallet. So let's go again. Let's say we want to sell it now. Let's go. Now I'm going to click on sell crypto. First thing. Second thing now is I will come here now and click on any cryptocurrency. Now I will select Bitcoin, right? So after then I'm coming here now, amount I want to get. So I will click here. Let me see this drop down, and now I'm going to select US dollars. So that's another thing. I'm going to select US dollars. When I wanted to buy, I put my local currency there, right? But when I want to sell now, I put US dollars. So when I started this, I said this is even going to favor many people that are into mini importation business or e-commerce. So I'm still heading there, right? If you're into mini importation business, here have my handshake, guys. So let's go. So from here now, let's go to this popular payment method. Now click here. Now from here now, you are going to type gift card. There are many options here. You see bank transfer, online wallet, debit, credit cards, gift card, digital currencies, cash payment, and so on. Now you will click on this gift cards. That is one option. And from here now, you can come down. You see gift card, different one here, or use this shortcut. You see this search bar here now. This search bar. Now click on here and type eBay. eBay. Now when I type eBay, now see the option I'm seeing here. eBay gift card. Now click on eBay gift card. When you selected eBay gift card, now click on apply selection. So which means we want to sell our Bitcoin and we want to get the money in return through eBay gift card. So let's go again. And okay, one more thing. Let's come to the most filter. This most filter, click it. Now from here now you see Germany. You know why you are seeing Germany? It's because of the IP I'm using. I use VPN now. When I started the VPN, the country I selected was Germany, right? So that's why it's just showing this for me. So what I will do now is to cancel this and allow this to all countries, all right? All countries. The next thing to do is to come here now. I will put it price high to low. When I wanted to buy, I put it here that is price low to high. But now when I want to sell, I'll put it price high to low. I want to make money, of course. So the next thing now is to let me select this as usual, people recently active. Now I click on apply button here. Boom. Now I'm seeing only one person online. I doubt if this will actually favor me right now because they hire the competition. They hire the chance of making more money when you are trying to trade online. That is all this crypto arbitrage. They hire the level of competition. They hire of chances of you making more money. But now I'm seeing only one person online. But let's see what will happen. So let's say I want to sell for this guy now. This guy said within the range of 10 to 1,000 US dollars worth of eBay gift card. So I will click on this is -8%. Okay, let me just go. Don't worry. Just let's go. I have a sample. I will show you. All right, but let me just click on this. Don't worry. It's good if we are seeing something like this. In case you encounter something like this, you have experience. Like, if it happens like this is what I should do. All right, it's better than for you to see everything that just goes smoothly when I'm training you, and when you're practicing, you're seeing something like So now let's say I want to sell now. The Bitcoin I have, I want to sell is, let me go and bring it out. The worth of Bitcoin is this. Let me copy it, then copy. Now come back here and paste. Now you see something here. So I put this Bitcoin, the same Bitcoin I bought at the rate, just let's say I bought it at the rate of 50,000 Nigerian naira. All right, this is mathematical, right? And when I want to sell it now, I'm getting it back at the rate of how much? 26.75 US dollars. All right, that is worth of eBay gift card. Now let's come to this list. Fast with this now. I just want to see the value of this now to see if is profitable or this is a great loss. I come to this list now, gift cards. I come to this gift cards now, click on P2P gift cards, click here. Okay, now from here now, let's say now 26.75, the same amount of Bitcoin I bought with 50,000 naira, and I get the value of it in US dollar, that's 26.75 US dollars. Now let me say I convert this now to naira, copy this now, USD to naira. So let's see the amount I'm going to get. Oh, let me turn off my VPN. You can see now that this is not profitable. How will I use 50,000 naira to invest on something, and at the end the value I get now is like 43,000 plus? So that is why you have to be calculating a strategy before you put your money if you want to invest. Now let me show you how to do it and make money. Let me show you the one I did this morning and what is happening now. That is why before you sell, you see, when I sold one person online, I know that this thing may not favor me at the end. Now let me show you the one I did this morning. Look at it. I said I will use this one to train you. And now I bought this Bitcoin worth 68,000 plus, right, in naira. And look at it now. And the same Bitcoin I sold and get this amount of US dollars. That is 50 US dollars. Now 50 US dollars to naira. Look at what I get. 81,000. Over 81,000, let me say 81,000 naira. And how much did I use to buy itself? Let me show you again. I bought it 68,000. Now let's do the calculation. Let's just do the mathematics. All right. Okay. This is the final result, right? Minus how much did I use to buy it? This amount, just this morning. And now when I'm making these videos, everything has changed. So when you're trading online, you have to calculate very well before you put your money. Now look at this. This morning I can make up to 12,000 plus. And when you're trying to do it by this time afternoon now, you see that you are in a great loss. Just look at how the market is. That is cryptocurrency for you. It may go up, it may come down, it may favor, it may not. You have to calculate. You can come online. When you see that the market is favorable for you, put your money there, do it and make money. Now let's see how we can use this thing to make this amount of money. You see the amount of money you can make up to 12,000. Now let me show you. Like I told you in the beginning, I said if you're into mini potential business, this will actually help you a lot. Now let me show you. Let's go to eBay now. We have our gift card, all right, with us. So heading to eBay now. Let's say I want to buy something. Let's say I want to buy iPhone. So let's say I want to buy this iPhone, right? Now I just click on this. I don't want to waste time, all right? Just let me make it faster. There's something I want to show you here. If you're into mini importation business, or maybe you are very new to this, you don't know anything about mini importation business, all right? And you want to know how to do all this kind of thing, don't worry. Go and watch. I'll put the video here. Go and watch it. Or maybe after this video, I'll show you link to go and watch, all right? Now look at this. Now let's say I want to buy this. Now I click on buying it now. I just want to show you the where we can make use of this gift card. Now that's what I'll show you now. From here now, let's go. Okay, now from here, come and see something. Gift card and coupons. So this is where we can make use of this now. The amount we are paying here now, we can enter this now. If I have this coupon, this worth of let me see. Now 50, right? Let's say this $50 now. I have it as a gift card now. I can put it here, enter the coupon here, the code, just enter the code here, apply. So if I apply now, they will deduct it from this amount and I will use other cards to pay the rest of the money. This actually help anyone that into mini importation business. And no wonder you see some guys like online, you see them, they are buying crypto, they are buying gift cards, and you think they are Yahoo boys. Some of them are even using this thing to buy gadgets from US, UK, used items from US, from UK, import it down to the country because they know many of you don't understand the strategy. Look at the profit margin they are getting with this now. They are using gift card to buy things, and look at how they get the gift card. They use strategy of naira, which means if this amount now, look at the amount this thing saved me now. That $50, if I want to pay directly now from Nigeria now, it will cost me like 80-something thousand naira. And using 60-something thousand naira now from crypto, something like that, I'm able to buy it at the rate of how much? 60-something thousand naira, and I have profit of 12,000 plus. So if you're into mini potential business for real, you can be bringing things to the country and using this strategy to make a lot of money. You can pop in your money here I'm used to get hire a lot of money. If I have a lot of gift card here now, you know how much of things you can buy from outside countries. Guys, it's unlimited. I still have many more I want to show you. I don't want this video to be longer unnecessarily, and we'll end it here. Another video is coming. I still want to show you another means of making money online. If you can be cashing out this amount of money every 1 hour to 2 hours, even if you're helping people to buy things online, you help them to buy, you save your money. That's something now. So guys, thank you. I hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, give me a like on this video, drop your comment, and if you want to connect with me, guys, just check the pinned comment to connect with me on WhatsApp. I love you guys. Do you have interest in more videos like this? Please, I have it here. Go and watch a lot of things about crypto. Do you have interest in mini importation from US, UK? I have it here. Go and watch and have these videos reserved for you guys. I love you guys. Love you. See you guys in my next videos.